Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, we will learn pattern programs step by step. This is Java programming session number 30, pattern number 43, reverse number increment triangle. If you are confident about learning, like this video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about reverse number pattern and character pattern. In this session, we are going to discuss about reverse number increment triangle. Reverse number increment triangle. So prerequisites, please watch the previous sessions like 41, 42. So it will be the base for the pattern 43 pro. So as usual, you should be clear with the fundamentals to solve the pattern programs. N variable represents input size, number of lines or rows you are deciding. I is the outer for loop. So it will controls the number of rows and lines. So how many rows, how many lines based on your N value you are going to display it. Next, J represents inner for loop, controls number of times to print in each and every row. Each and every time it starts from the beginning in each and every row. So how many times you're going to print in each and every row. Next, added to this, what to print in that each and every line, what you're going to print it, alphabet, number or symbol or any special characters. So this is the base for solving the pattern programs. So back to the topic. If my sample input is 4, so output should be displayed in reverse direction, 4th row, third row, second row, and first row. In our previous session itself, we have discussed. So number 1 to 5, total number of times executing is 5. 5 to 1, also 5 times. Only we are changing the direction, forward or reverse. This time we are going in the reverse direction. So if my sample input is 4, 4 rows is printing. So only change is we are coming from reverse direction. So this is called as a fourth row, third row, second row, first row. All it depends on each and every row is depends upon the line. What is that? N input size. How we are getting the input from the user. So depends upon the n size. So here your starting point is this time line number 4. That is your n value. So your I value starts from the n because that is starting from the n value. If it is 5 means 5. It will start from 5. The ending point, the ending row number is 1, reverse direction. So I'm giving I greater than or equal to 1, reverse direction. So I'm giving the operation decrement, I minus minus, post decrement. Next one, what is that? In each and every row, what you are printing? So line number 4 means one time you are printing, line number 2 means two times. So your J value is depends upon your high value. J value depends upon your high value. Keep it in mind. Next one. So what it is starting? Line number 4 means from 4 it is starting. Line number 3 means 3. So you can go with j equal to I. J equal to I. Okay. So line number 2 means second row starting. The ending point for each and every row is what is that? The n value. So go with j less than or equal to n plus plus because you are going in the forward direction. That is what we already mentioned. Reverse number row wise we are reversing number, but increment triangle, one by one you're incrementing the value. 4 means first row 4, second row 3 4, third row 2 3 4, fourth row 1 2 3 4, reverse plus increasing. So that's why I'm using the increment operator j plus plus. So here starts from which well, row number. So that's what we are mentioning, j equal to I. That's why we are mentioning j equal to I, and then the ending point is here in the each and every row is n value. 4 means 4, 3 means 3, 5 means 5. Got it? So next we are printing that which one, j value. Okay, first we'll look at the sample input output. Afterwards we'll move on to the debugging mode. See here, if my sample input is 5, the output is 5 4 3 2 1. So as per a sample input output, we are getting the output. So I'm getting in the debugging mode, placing the breaking points here. Yes. Now we'll move on to the debugging mode. So start, enter the limit. If I'm giving sample input is 4, now the n values in the memory is 4. After that, what is that I value 4? 4 greater than or equal to 1 means condition is true. So next we'll enter the body of the inner for loop for j equal to I. What's the current I value? 4. So 4 is assigned to j. 4 less than or equal to, which is your ending point, n value 5. So 4, sorry, as per sample input, what is that n value? 4. So j value is also 4, n value is also 4. 4 less than or equal to 4 means one loop. I mean, one time this loop will execute. What is that? One time this loop will execute. Now, will the control be transferred to line number 9? What's the j value now? 4. So 4 is printed. Next, with white space. For better understanding, I'm giving the space. Next, the control will be transferred to line number 8, j plus plus. Already the j value is 4. 4 plus plus means there is one value incremented 5. 5 less than or equal to 4, condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred from line number 8 to line number 11. Okay, so the cursor is waiting in the line number 11. Because of system.out.println, new line will be printed. So the cursor is waiting in the second line. Now again the cursor will move on to the I decrement part. Already we are in the line number 11. Now the control will be transferred to line number 7. I decrement. Already the I value is, what is that? 4. After decrement, what's the value? 3. So 3 greater than or equal to 1, condition is true. So again inner for loop will exit from the beginning. What's the current value of I? 3. So that will be assigned to j. 3 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true or false? Yes, true. So two times this loop will be executed. What will be printed means first time j value, what is that? 3. So 3 with white space will be incremented. After j value is incremented means 3 is increment by 1. What is that? 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. 4 with white space is printed now. Again the control be transferred to line number 8. Already the j value is 4. After increment, what is the value? 5. So 5 less than or equal to 4, condition is fail. Now the control be transferred from line number 8 to line number 11. New line will be printed. Now again control be transferred to line number 7. Already the I value is 3. After decrement, what's the value? 2. So 2 greater than or equal to 1 means condition is true. Again the inner for loop will exit from the beginning. J equal to, what's the current I value? 3. So 3 less than or equal to, so wait, we should decrement the value, am I right? So already the I value is decremented, current I value is 2. Okay, current I value is 2. So j equal to 2. J equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 4. Yes, condition is true, obviously. 3 times this loop will be executed. What is that? 3 times this loop will be executed. So output is 2 space. Again increment means j value is 3. 3 space last iteration 4 less than or equal to 4. After increment, j value is now 4. 4 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. 4 space will be printed. Now the control will be transferred to line number 8. Condition is false after increment because j value is 5. So now the control will be transferred to line number 11. New line will be printed. The cursor is hitting the new line. Already the I existing value is 2. So after decrement, what's the value? 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 1 means condition is true. Inner for loop will exit from the beginning. J equal to I means current I value is 2. So far, I'm telling. After decrement, what's the I value? 1. See here. 1 is changed. 1 greater than or equal to 1, condition is true. Now in inner for loop again will exit from the beginning. What's the j value? Already the I value is 1 in the memory. So 1 less than or equal to 4. N value is 4. So 1 less than or equal to 4 means 4 times this loop will be executed. I will now tell you in the abstract level explanation because we already provided the detailed explanation. So 1 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. First time 1 will be printed with white space. Afterwards I value, j value is incremented. Already it is 1. After increment, what's the j value? 2. So 2 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. 2 space will be printed. After increment, what is that? J value is 3. So 3 space will be printed. Last iteration, J value is incremented means 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 is condition is true. 4 space will be printed. After that, J is incremented means 5. So 5 less than or equal to 4, condition is fail. Line number 11, new line will be printed. Again, if you are decrementing the I value, already it is 1. Afterwards, what is that? 0. So condition is failed. Now the control will transferred out from that loop. So control will transfer from line number 7 to 13. If you found this session useful, like this channel, subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. Have questions, drop the comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.